Hi guys, it's Jamie with Loving All Seasons, and today I thought I would take you guys along with me. I have to go to physical therapy first, so I won't film that, but then I really haven't been in the stores like maybe a week and a half or so. So I thought, let's go see what's out there for Ray Dunn. Anything new? How about just spring or shoot, even summer? Let's go see what's out there. Come on along with me. As you guys know, my first stop usually is Homegoods and TJ Maxx. Let's see if they have any new Ray Dunn in there. This is what's new in my store. You guys know they're $6.99. Look at this pretty one. Blessed. Look at these. Someone's getting married. Really cute. Walk by faith. Be still and know. Saved by grace. I love that. It's this really pretty, like, peachy, like, color. You see that's pink on there. But cute. Look at this. It's not Ray Dunn, but that's cute. I gotta tell you guys, I love this piece right here. Also, Amazing Grace in this pretty, like, green sagey color. These are cute. Got a lot more lemon pieces. This is gorgeous. Thought I'd show you guys some of the plants and spring items coming in. at my Homegoods. Love a lot of these potters. They're rare, they're in right now, and of course they got tons of wreaths. This one makes me think of more of fall. But of course they have all the boxwood. And I don't feel that $24 is really too bad for a big wreath like that. And then let's see the smaller one. There's a price. That one is $19.99. This is cool. It looks like a basket, but it's ceramic and heavy. Over here they got topiaries, which I love them, but why are topiaries so much money? Like, I don't get it. This dog is kind of cool, but not for that price. So guys, I went into Homegoods and TJ Maxx, and you guys will see those clips. You probably already did before I'm talking to you right now, but not a whole lot of new stuff. I mean, we saw some mugs. I saw that bridesmaid mug. There was also a mother of the bride. I believe they had something like that last year. A lot of spiritual mugs, new spiritual mugs, at least that I've seen in my store. So that was kind of cool. Some new spring stuff. But I gotta tell you, so TJ Maxx, nothing. I think they had possibly the Irish, the canisters with the little guy, the little leprechaun, his nose. They had 2 of those, but I know you guys have all seen that. So I was like, most of the stuff everybody's seen. So I was trying to show you something different and new, and I'm in a rut. Not that I need to go out and buy a bunch of stuff, but I'm still like decorating. I started a little and I'm just kind of stuck. And I really wanted to try to get some things done and before I went back to work. And yeah, I'm just kind of bleh. I was hoping to just get in a store and see some springy stuff and feel like rejuvenated, I guess is what. Maybe we'll go check out Kirklands because I haven't been in there for a little bit, and maybe I'll film a little. I know some of you are like, well, they're kind of expensive, but it's possible that they will, sorry, my phone was ringing, that they will give us some inspiration. So maybe you need some inspiration and see what's in the stores and go from there. So, all right, let's head on to the next store. Next stop. See if we can get some inspiration in Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead see what type of things we can see in here. And what I noticed with Kirklands and what they have for the spring, lots of wood tones, lots of blacks, and then of course the pops of white or cream. So a lot of neutral, and then the green popped in. I have to voice this over because the music was once again loud. So some of the pieces that I just pointed to, like this one right here, beautiful vase. It was, I want to say it was $19.99 or $24.99. And I'm just showing you, I love the lanterns they have, the big lanterns. But I will say Walmart, you guys, tends to have some nice lanterns for a decent price. Those lamps were very unique. Oh, you guys, this is my favorite piece. I wish I could have this in my home. It is $799.99. And I don't believe it's actually made that well, but it is a beautiful piece. I wish that I could have it in my home. So I'm walking to the other side of the store, and once again, you're still seeing lots of blacks, lots of creams, and then that pop of green throughout the store. I was talking about these wreaths. The wreaths are beautiful, you guys. But this one right here was $49.99. You guys can find so much better wreaths, I feel like, at TJ Maxx, Homegoods, or you can make one. So unless there's a really good deal on the wreaths, I would wait. But it's nice to come in stores like this and get ideas. Sometimes they'll even have displays, up for you to give you an idea how to decorate an area. So that's what I will do. Here I'm talking about the pop of yellow. I love a good pop of yellow. It is favorite for me for not just summer, but for spring. And a lot of rattan, wicker items, still very popular, it looks like. And of course, you can't go wrong with a good cutting board. Sorry if you guys are hearing airplanes above, but I just wanted to really show you, my whole point was show you another store that you can get ideas from. And I hope this has maybe helped or inspired some of you to do your spring. It is starting to get nice here in Michigan. That's why I'm doing the voiceover outside. But we're coming to an end. All right, you guys, I'll see you in the next one.